Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 27th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Tesla is having a little bit of a pullback day, so we are down $13.80, 1.74%. We closed at 777.56. Post-market, we seem to be down a further 369. Let's look at the chart. So we have a red candle, pretty much the same wick at the top and at the bottom. The wick is close to 765. A support that was made because of this high that happened on September 8th. So we just went right on that number. 765 seems to be a decent support. We are still, the body of the candle is still above this support that we have here, this faster channel support. I'm gonna make some cleanup a little bit so that things are a little bit clearer. So there you go. This is what is happening right now. So we have 765 as a support, and we also have 800 as a resistance. The stock might be just going sideways between these two numbers. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. This is the first hour here. We opened lower than where we closed yesterday. We tried to go back up during the first hour. So we tried to go back up, but then we could not succeed. And we started to stabilize around this diagonal support that we just saw on the other side. And we maintain ourselves above it for 4 hours. So that's pretty good. Then we fell down close to 765 and then came back up and closed above this same support. But then last hour we lost some ground here. And looking at stochastic briefly, so stochastic at 60, showing decrease in strength. Of course, MACD crossed over, but DMI is still convinced that this is still part of the bullish move. So because of DMI, we can still stay above 765. Let's go back to the daily chart to get a more longer term view. So stochastic decreased to 76. This is not too bad. What else? MACD had just crossed over bullish, and DMI is still super bullish here. So maybe what is happening is that we are going to enter this congestion zone between 765 and 800, and that might not last a long time, because by October 2nd or 3rd, Tesla is going to release their production numbers, and then I'm pretty sure that this will have an impact on the stock. So just stay tuned for those numbers. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.